Now we see some examples of regular expression. The first scenario is we have to write the regular expression for the language of all words that have at least two A's. So the language must have at least two A's, but there is no upper limit. So there can be anything before the first A. You can say like this: anything after the first A and before the second A, and similarly anything after the third A. So as you know, in regular expression we can represent the anything with the regular expression like this: b a plus b whole static. So if I replace this anything with this, then we get this regular expression. That's it. Alright, so this is the regular expression for the language having at least two A's, but there is no upper limit. And next we have another scenario where we have to write the regular expression for the language where all the words have exactly two A's, like A and A, but exactly no more and no less than two A's. So in this case, you know, we can have B's in between and before and after the A's, but not A. So here you can have null, one or more B's. For this we can write B static, and similarly in between the two A's you can have null, one B or more B's. And similarly after the second A we can have null, one B or more B's. So this is the regular expression for this second scenario. And now we see the third scenario. This is the third one, and it says that you have to write the regular expression for the language where we have at least one A and one B. So it may be like this, AB, or like this, BA, and there is no condition that there may be something between these AB or after and before this AB. So we can say like earlier, there may be anything before the first A and anything in between and after. Similarly here you can have anything before, middle and after. So you will have your regular expression with this, like this. Either you will have this pattern or you will have this pattern, and in this pattern B is following A and here A is following B. So like earlier, you can replace the anything with, as you know, A plus B whole static. So this is the regular expression for this scenario. Alright, and next we are going to discuss the regular expression for the language even. And you know, even means that the number of A's must be even and the number of B's must be even. So there may be different scenario, like if we write this A, it is even language because we have 4 number of A's, or it may be like this BB, even number of B's, or it may be like this AA, BB, AA, BB, like this, or it may be like AB, BA, BA, AB. Again you have even number of A's and even number of B's. So for such examples we write the regular expression. Let's say we can have the repetition of pattern AA. For the repetition you can write static, or we can have the repetition of the pattern BB, and still further again you can have the repetition of the pattern AB or BA followed by AB plus BA. So if you repeat this pattern or this pattern or this pattern, you will have even languages. But Somewhere you have some like this, like AB, then AA, then BA. This word cannot be generated from it. It is still even, but it cannot be generated from this regular expression, because here one we have this AB from here, then this BA from here, but we cannot write anything in between these two. So for this scenario, we modify this regular expression like this. We add the optional repetition of AA or BB between this. So if we change this bracket with the curly, just to distinguish between the inner brackets and the outer brackets. So this is the regular expression for the language even.